Yeah, you're such a good boy. He's so happy. Yes, you are. This is Tiger. He's 6 years old and he is a Siberian. Fun fact about Siberians, they originated from Russia and it dates back to like the 1000 year. Okay? Yeah. They are one of two cats in the Cat Fanciers Association that have a triple coat, which consists of 3 different hairs: the guard hair, the down, and the on. Yeah, you and one other breed have 3 hairs. Yeah, you have a triple coat. He's such a sweetheart. Hey, you a good boy? Yes, you are. You're a very good boy. Yeah, did you know you're originally from Russia? Yeah.